Hi everyone. Today I will give you some tips on how to get lots of flowers on Tecoma stance flower plants. If this plant is planted in the ground, this plant gives many flowers without any maintenance, and the size of the plant is also very large. But if you want to plant this plant in a container, on the roof or balcony and want a lot of flowers from that plant, then the plant needs special care. Loamy soil is an ideal soil for this plant. So 70% garden soil and 30% vermicompost or any organic fertilizer should be mixed together to prepare potting soil. Then you can mix a teaspoon of eggshell powder with that soil. Use this soil for planting new seedlings and for repotting. It is a permanent flowering plant. This plant spreads roots very quickly. Small-size plants can be planted in 8 or 10-inch pots. But when the plant becomes medium or large in size, this plant should be transferred to a larger container for better growth. If you want to get a lot of flowers from this plant, you should keep this plant in a place where it receives direct sunlight for 6 to 7 hours. If this plant does not get enough sunlight, the plant will not flower. Do not water the plant if the soil in the pot is wet. Give less water to the plant in winter, because then the soil does not dry easily. In summer, if necessary, you can water the plants in the morning and afternoon. This plant produces many flowers, so the nutrient demand of this plant is also very high. Plants require a lot of energy to produce enough flowers, so organic fertilizers should be applied to the plants every few days. Applying liquid fertilizer twice a month will improve plant growth. You can make organic liquid fertilizer at home. Soak 500 grams of vegetable peels in 1 liter of water for 15 days and strain the liquid well. Then mix 6 liters of water with that liquid and give it to the plant.